What are you doing, Michael? Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I've drawn it in already. It's 2 1/4 inches wide and 3 3/4 inches long. And I measured from there to there to make sure that this was all square from the floor and there. So I'm going to drill a hole in each one of these corners. And I'm cut it out with a jigsaw. Hit it perfect on the box. I'll cut this up here. See if I can reach that box. The box. All right, this is the electrical box for the electric box for the pump. No. Yeah. Oh, I see what's wrong. Yeah. It's hitting this little. That's pretty. But there's the plug-in for the. There's an electric plug-in for the pump on the Whirlpool. I'm gonna have to cut that. Edge. This line is a dedicated line right from the breaker, so it's got its own breaker. There. Doing, Steve? Well, Michael, I'm gonna sand this, just scuff it up a little bit to get the loose dirt off of it. Just getting in the cracks. And all this is tongue and groove, right? Just try to get in there like this. And the top of it, just scuff it up. Or just, I don't know how clean these were. Especially after a couple of years of just sitting around, you know? Just a little bit like this. Just try this. Just go over it like this. Tongue and groove. That'll be nice. It smells good. Scuffed it up some. We're going to put some stain on there and then put some waterproofing on it. Then we're going to put backer board on there, waterproofed backer board, and on that wall, and this wall, and then we're going to put the tub in, and then tile it. Just getting the dust off of it. And then what are you going to do? Stain it. The stick to stir it, because if you shake it, it gets bubbles. Sure you're not steering it? Stirring it. I want to steer my stein and go get a cow and make sure the cow is not a steer. I don't know if I can get it in there. Alright, here's the goes. See what happens. I don't know. It's going to gather in the corners and all the stuff like that. think it looks better with the stain. Don't you? I'm gonna kick somebody's ass. I'm gonna kick somebody's ass. I'm gonna lay down this world, gonna shoulder up my cross. I'm gonna take it home to my Jesus. Ain't that good news? Ain't that good news, my Lord? Ain't that good news? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Hey, a little light on that one. Not that one. One right above your head. Yep, there. Well, I'm gonna put another coat on it, so there. Good enough for now. We'll look at it again. Yeah, I'm gonna put another coat on it. Okay, what are you doing? I'm just gonna sand these a little bit and put another coat on them. Just a little bit of sanding and then hit it again. That's all. Okay, I think I got pretty much all of them sanded a little bit. I just wanted to scuff off the, because I'm gonna do another coat, and I just want to get the smooth it a little bit, you know, get in the pores a little bit, smooth it out. And the second coat, we'll decide if we want to do a third. I'll shake it out a little bit. There you go. Just gonna put a second coat on it, and who knows, we may go a third, who knows. Those. I haven't done them yet. Oh, I know. That's what Mike's doing. It's hard to do it up on the ceiling. I don't suggest doing that. Just the third coat. We're starting on a third coat on this. So I'm gonna do that back row and then work my way forward, I think. Okay, that's it for now. That's 3 coats of stained poly. It's 3 coats of this summer oak. Guess it looks okay. Another step along the way. Alright, that's it. Okay, I'm going to put this candle lighting back in because that's just the things that I kind of do. How old are you now? 29. What are you gonna do? Put the canned lighting back up. Okay. Just stained your tongue and groove, custom made
ceiling over the tub, over the Whirlpool.
Put the ground wire on first.
Put the ground wire on, and then we're just gonna show one, and then
One and done.
the finished product.
Oh. My elbow, my shoulder.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, ground wire's back on.
That was easy.
It's because I know how to do it.
Okay.
That's on. These just slip in.
And slip it in. Just put it in the hole.
Oh.
Yeah, I see. I see. Said the blind man. I see. Said the blind man. Putting it in the little.
You got little grooves. Little, like, what do you call them?
And just slide right up in there.
Yeah, make sure you get your little. Oh, what's going on here? Ow, gosh.
And there you have it.
Beautiful.
Ain't beautiful. Now, put the rest of them in.
One step at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. There you go.
There you go, Parker. That'll work.
There you go. So when you're in your tub, you can have a romantic.
I still want to put a light along there. All right, that's that.
One.